Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials: the voice style, pace, and exact timing you need. Provide Chatgpt a short prompt with context, 1 or 2 sample lines, and explicit direction for emphasis and pauses. Once done, ask for a line-by-line breakdown with timestamps and phonetic hints so you can feed a TTS service. Make sure to specify output format and quality settings. Those choices influence clarity and file size. Now, you're ready to move into refining the performance. You now dig into nuance. Ask Chatgpt to map emotional beats and give delivery notes in parentheses for every sentence. Once you have that, convert suggestions into prosody controls, speed as a %, pitch offsets, and exact pauses like 0. 5s after commas. Make sure to request multiple variants so you can a/B test. After each pass, listen and tell the model what to soften or emphasize. This iterative loop tightens phrasing and makes the performance feel human rather than robotic. You finish by converting the chosen variant into SSML or clear phonetic cues, and then render using your selected TTS engine at high-quality settings. Once rendered, import the WAV into your editor, align to visuals, and apply light compression or EQ if needed. If the voice sounds off, try one key troubleshooting tip: adjust prosody values or swap to a different voice model before re-rendering. Small phonetic edits often fix mispronunciations. Finally, confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.